We're gonna take this chicken apart. We're gonna butcher it. The boning knife, I'm pressing down just as hard, and you see how much flexibility I get there. So boning knife is really the ideal knife to use. The seaming is going in between two muscle groups. So we have our thigh, of course, and we're just gonna separate that, give it that tightness, and then just start to cut. And you can see it right away, it just starts to fall away. So we're just pulling down there, looking for that joint. Again, finding that ball joint, and just removing it. So we've separated our leg from our thigh, separating, creating tension between the skin so that I can pull it apart. At the same time, I'm running my knife down through it. Very simple. Once again, try find that ball joint on your thigh. We got the thigh, we got the leg. Again, I'm trying to create some tension there on the skin so that I get my breast on both sides of that breastplate to be covered with skin. So you see, I'm just gonna go straight down. And now I'm just following along the carcass with my boning knife, the wing joint. There we go. Now, if we want to, we can also take our wing off. Other side, same thing. Again, I'll remove the wing off of this breast as well, same way. Okay, this is how you break down a chicken.